Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I really want to appreciate you guys that have actually subscribed to this channel, and I want to thank everyone that is part of this team. Also, today we'll be studying Lumion. Okay, yeah. Actually, this is the model we'll be using today, and this is the same. And I've actually edited most of the materials and added light. If you want to know how I add my light, you can check the previous tutorial, but I think I will still show you some other stuff in this tutorial. So I'll be dropping a link to my Telegram page, because I'm trying to start a comprehensive class on Telegram, so you guys can just check the link. So to get started, for this tutorial sake purpose, I will be telling you how I edit this my code. This is not a Lumion code, so let me just try and start from fresh. So let me just use imported. Yeah, okay, this was how the code was before. So if you want to edit your code, you click indoor, you come to this meta, indoor metals, so you come to this last part. I like this poly raindrop and sticky 001 2K mirror, because it's a polygon material. Is more, I like the detail. So what I do is to reduce this water droplet. I just reduce the relief. So once I reduce the relief, I'm good to go. And if possible, you can also reduce the scale. Yeah, you can reduce the scale. Now we need to make it, you can change the color to something. I don't like it to be too golden, so you can increase the color. Yeah, in this way. Yeah, so this is the kind of code I want. So for this I think basically this bed sheet is actually a normal fabric from Lumion. On that fabric, indoor fabric, there I use this poly fabric wool. All I just need to do is to increase the glossiness and increase the reflectivity. Then I change the color. So to achieve this, for this fabric, actually I won't be doing a fabric tutorial today. I will be doing more of camera settings in this tutorial. So let's go to our, as we all know, to achieve a nice interior, the lighting is very important. So after making all this my spotlight emissive, I have to drop this cone light, and I ensure that the brightness is 98.7. Then drop another omni light, and the brightness is 50. So let me just drop one so that you guys can see. Let me delete these two because of those that are new in Lumion. So if you want to drop your light, you come to light, then you click place. So this is the light I'm using, lamp 03. I drop it, then I come to select. Yeah. Okay, let me look at it. 92, 90. So you click on it, you change it to 98. Depending on what you actually want. If you find it, you can just type 98 here, 98, enter. Yeah. So also go to this light, I drop it also. This light, you may not have to change the figure, it's not really having much significance. So that's what I do to all the lights, as you can see. So today, let's just go. I'll be, for those that need a comprehensive tutorial on step by step, this is the scene I'll be rendering. So today, let me just take a fresh picture. So the first thing I will do is, okay, the first thing, let me just cut this first. Yeah. So after this, you can just choose any of these templates to start with. You can choose the interior template. Then let's just walk around this interior template. So for the real sky, I don't actually like this real sky. So I'll go to cloudy and I'll use this. Yeah. So the light, the heading, I want some light inside. I can click this heading. I want more brightness. Yeah, the overall brightness is okay. Let's go back. 2-point perspective is okay. This fog, let me just hide this fog. Sun, I don't think I need sun. Can hide it. Sharpen. I may increase the intensity a bit. Still looking a bit funny, but never mind, we are getting the exposure. It's too much. Let me make it 0.5. Yeah, you can see we are getting there. So color correction. Brightness is quite too much. Yeah. Color corrections, saturation, no saturation. I don't like to give you that elegant bright look. I think this is nice. Reflection, hyperlight. Let's check hyperlight. So I can reduce this hyperlight to 25. Yeah, I think it's nice. For this rendering, I want it to be a bit darker because of the theme. The theme is quite dark. So hyperlight, what do we have here? Okay, skylight. So I think this is okay. Let me just increase the saturation a bit. 2.6. Yeah. can click on scarf. You can on this too. Yep. Okay, shadow. So shadow, let me just increase this a bit, increase this brightness a bit. Let's open the shadow. Reduce it a bit. It is okay. I want ultra sharp shadow. Yep. I think I've taken you guys through step by step way of tweaking this default setting. So reflection, so I can make it high because of my gold, and can add couple of some reflection plane your model. Like this flower, I can make it reflective, make this top reflective, make this reflective. So I think basically that is all. So let's try and render and see. Okay, I think you guys that have not subscribed and liked, you people should just do me a favor by subscribing to this wonderful channel. I will try my best to drop videos every week that will help us grow in our 3D visualization skills. So I would just like you to subscribe, to like, to share this video with your friends, and turn on your notification for this channel. So I think this is cool. So see you guys next week. And if you have any question, any observation, any comments, just drop it on the comment section. I will attend to it. Thank you so much. Have a lovely week.